Hello everyone. In today's session, we'll talk about the key points if you wish to ace the logical reasoning section. Let's have a look. Most important point. I am not scoring in the logical reasoning section in the mocks. So if you are unable to score, you need to find the real problem. What is your real problem? Is it concept or speed? If it is concept, that means however time you take, you are unable to get the right answer. If this is your problem, then please sit with your mentors, start from the scratch, understand the concept of conclusion, premise, assumption, try and solve a lot of single paragraph based questions. If your problem is speed, then do not solve anything without timer from now onwards. Put up a timer, push yourself every time to read more. So if you are able to attempt 3 passages in 20 minutes, then next week push yourself to attempt at least 3.5 passages. So that's how you can work upon your speed. Now, next important point, how to attempt a question. So if there is a passage of 4 paragraphs and followed by 3 to 4 questions, what is your strategy to attempt this question? Moving on to the first step, read the argument first with full focus and concentration. Unlike English section where you switch between passage and the question, do not attempt to do the same thing with logical reasoning section. Read the whole argument first with full focus and concentration. Try to find the conclusion of the argument. What was author's opinion? What was his claim or belief? So find the conclusion first and then look at the question. What question demands? Strengthening the argument, weakening the argument. What is the assumption of the author? These are some common question types in logical reasoning section. So read the question first. Then think your own answer. Come up with your own answer. If you have to strengthen, what extra point can be added? If you have to weaken the author's conclusion, what extra point can be added to weaken it? So think your own answer and then read the options, and wherever out of those 4 options you get the right option which you already thought, then just mark it. So these 5 should be your steps to attempt a particular question. And then another very common problem. Ma'am, I was confused between 2 options. I was able to eliminate 2 options, but then end up getting confused with 2 options, and it is always the other option which is correct, not mine. So if this is your problem, then always try to eliminate rather than picking up the correct. Do not find the right, but try to find the fault where you can eliminate that option. So always use the elimination method to remove the incorrect ones. Remember, it is not the perfect answer, but the best option out of the 4 ones, right? So you can always find the best, not the perfect. And we have to find the best out of the 4 to mark it correct. That's all from my side. Hope this video was